It's a rhododendron. The smaller seeds sort of float onto the moor and then they grow, and then it's sort of, because it's an invasive species, we don't really want it on here, and then it could outcompete the native species and the species that we're bringing back. The best bits of being a National Trust apprentice is probably always being outside, really, just the line of work. I probably would recommend the apprenticeship to somebody else, and then if they can get a job here, like, there's nothing like enjoying the job that you do. I've got plenty of tickets from the apprenticeship, so that includes off-road vehicles, chainsaw. I also went on the first aid training as well, and then I've also developed skills in joistone walling, fencing, and other sort of boundary management, hedge laying. Helping the planet with the climate change and the carbon emissions, especially what we've been doing today with the peat box. It is sort of reassuring that we are, across the whole of the National Trust, is hopefully helping. And if once we get like volunteers out and we're getting younger people out, it's sort of opening it up more and showing more people what we're doing.